Hello everyone, I am Drew. I am the PhD student of Department of Physical Education and Sports Science. Today my topic is creating engaging atmosphere in exercise science course. We all know that it's pivotal to create an engaging atmosphere for either online or on-site discussions in a class, especially when conducted remotely. It requires strategic planning and active facilitation. This presentation would like to demonstrate how an exercise science course EMI TA can create such an atmosphere and ensure participation from every student. The first concept that we have to remind is that expectations, it can begin by setting expectation regarding participation in the course. Clearly communicate how often students are expected to contribute, what contributes meaningful participation, and any regarding criteria associated with it. For instance, while the EMI TA prepares for the exercise physiology course, he or she might set up the participation criteria for every student, such as mutual peer review scoring for every course activity will make the course more easier to participate. The second point is use an online engaging platform. Choose an easy-to-use online platform conducive to discussions. Such platforms like the Google Meet, Slido, or the dedicated discussion forums. It offers features like any breakout rooms, chat functions, and polling tools that can enhance engagement. For instance, while the EMI TA prepares for exercise physiology course for the graduate student to participate in, the EMI TA might want to initiate an online poll for the specific issue of the personal trait. While it's not that easy and vulnerable to present individually, the online poll platform would be more appropriate to suit the task. The third point is that course icebreaker activities. The EMI TA can start the course discussion with icebreaker activities to help students feel more comfortable and build rapport and self-advocacy with each other. These icebreaker activities can be easy to answer questions or icebreaking activities related to the topic being discussed. Take the strength and conditioning course for example. The course EMI TA might ask each course participant to demonstrate their ideal posture of squat and provide more feedback for the so-called typical squat position would be like. That will make the course participant more rapport and feel self-efficacy to show their own understanding of squat exercise. What's more, because of the specificity of each exercise, the individual difference might also be taken into account in such activities. And this fifth point is the active facilitation. Actively facilitate the discussion by posing open-ended questions. It will encourage the follow-up responses and guiding the cordial conversation as needed. Avoid dominating the discussion by the EMI TA themselves. Instead, you should put more focus on drawing out contribution from course participants. For example, while taking the fitness course, the EMI TA might raise the question of what daily fitness routine of each course participants. Then the answers will be very diversified and interesting. Since then, the EMI TA might facilitate more mutual conversations among the course participants. And the fifth one is the EMI TA should utilize breakout rooms. Break students into several small groups for more intimate discussions. You might assign specific topics or questions to each group and rotate through them to ensure everyone gets a chance to participate. Since some topics might not be open to every course participant in a course, the EMI TA might utilize the breakout private rooms for course participants to join the detailed discussions among them. That will definitely invoke more deeper and thorough discussions for the course participants. And the fifth one is the EMI TA should provide opportunities for quiet students. And this point is also the last point. The EMI TA should always be mindful of quieter students who may be hesitant to speak up. Use strategies like directly asking them for their own thoughts or opinions, providing additional time for deeper reflection, or allowing them to contribute via chat if they prefer. All those methods mentioned above are definitely contribute to more discussions among course participants. By implementing all those strategies mentioned above, the EMI TA can create a more dynamic and inclusive atmosphere for either online or on-site discussions, ensuring that every course participants have the equal opportunity to participate and contribute their own meaningful opinions to conversation in exercise science course. The EMI TA of exercise science course is not only the leader of course, but also the most active course participant in each course. Since the EMI TA realized that the core notion of course instruction, the EMI course will be more attractive and impressive for every course participants. Thank you for listening.